Hello and welcome back to Education Melon. Today's topic is Radha Swami Satsang. It was founded in 1861 by Dayal Singh in Agra under his Guru Tulsi Sahib, and it has many branches located in Byas, in Agra, etc. Radha Swami Satsang Byas was established in India in 1891 by Baba Jayamal Singh, and gradually it began spreading to other countries. Today, RSSB has meetings in more than 90 countries worldwide. It is a non-profit organization with no affiliation to any political or commercial organization. Radha Swami Satsang Byas is a religious organization promoting the spiritual essence found at the heart of the people under the mentorship of a living teacher. So basically, in Indian language, Radha Swami means Lord of the Soul, and Satsang describes a group of people that seeks truth. And Byas is a local town that is located in Punjab, in northern India. So the central teaching of RSSB are under spiritual teacher who explains the purpose of life and guides the member in a method of spirituality based on daily meditation practices. The present teacher are Baba Gurinder Singh and Huzur Jasdeep Singh. By performing the meditation practice according to the teacher instruction, individual can realize the presence of God within themselves. There are no rituals, no ceremonies, no hierarchies, no mandatory contribution, nor are there compulsory gathering of RSSB. The members need not to give up their cultural identity or religious practices. They can be Hindu and still following this path, or any other religion. To build on the primary spiritual practices of meditation, members are vegetarian, abstain alcohol, tobacco and drugs also, and also expected to lead a life of high moral values. Volunteer service, that is Seva. It is the backbone of all the activities conducted within RSSB. All the administrative function, construction work of the Indian and international centers, feeding of hundreds and thousands of visitors are done by the Seva people only. I hope you liked it. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट में. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.